Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Paul's Workshop. We're going to be looking at some chisels that we got on eBay, and we're going to take a look at a couple sets of pliers. So stay tuned. Here's our first item. Okay, this is how it came packaged from our eBay seller in a nice inner envelope from the U.S. Postal Service. Now, I am a bit of a Kmart tool collector, and I saw these Kmart chisels and I thought, why not, right? But let's take a look at them. Okay, we have one here. It's got this nice red, it's got the Kmart logo on it, acrylic handle. There's some issues here in the tip, so it could use a good cleaning. It has that smell, though. It has that smell that these acetate, I said acrylic, but these acetate handles have. And then this one has some of the creepy crud on it. So we're going to figure out how to clean that up. And we got the same issue with this guy. So, these probably aren't the best chisels, but if you look, they're manufactured in USA. Drop forge, precision ground, 2-zone heat treating. Wonder who made these, if it was somebody like Western Forge or somebody like that. So no original price tag there. I can't see the price, but I mean the tag is there, but you can't see the price. So they look like they need a good cleaning. I'm going to attempt to clean this using some 70% rubbing alcohol. I have it on hand. I think it might do a cleaning. Might actually get it. The next thing will be to deal with this rust. But let's see if we can I like to get the crust off the handle first, so I can actually handle this. I'm just going to take some with an old towel here. Just let's see what happens. Just a quick rub here. That seems to take it off. I don't know if it's going to stay that way, but that cleaned up rather nicely. Get that top. It has really done a nice job. So there's our after. One of them was already clean when it came, so I don't know if somebody tried to do a cleanup on it first, and then so this is what we're dealing with that kind of frosted look. So for this, I think we're going to have to spend a little time on the belt sander with this, or going with a fine sanding something on it. So, actually, if you have any ideas out there, before we mess this up, if you have some ideas on what we can do on how to kind of put a polish back on this, that I'd like to hear. They're barely used if you look, and I don't want to mess up the temper or anything on them. And the handles look decent. So we can get it to focus. Right, with the Kmart logo on there. So I just would like to get these cleaned up so they're back to almost new. We also have this pouch that we got to deal with. So I'm going to give this a good cleaning. I'm going to shake out the dust, clean that out. Boy, this has become almost like dental work here. So I'm giving it a good, put some alcohol in there. Now I'm just working this in there with these pliers I got here. Soak up some of the gunk. Now we're just going to clean the back. You see we had some grease there we want to get rid of. And some up here. Out with the old, in with the new. Told you we got some good deals at Lowe's. Here's the first set here. These are Irwin Vice Grip brand Ironworker pliers, which I don't have yet. And the set of Channellock, number 369, 100% made in the USA. Okay, these were, I think, half price at about $18. And these were at $10. So these were available at Lowe's. Let's take these things off and get a good look at them. Take them off the cards. Okay, these Ironworker pliers, you can see nice. They're still greased. Just fresh out the package. These are made in Taiwan. You look, though, we have some nice cross hatching there in the tips. And this is supposed to be a nice, strong cutting jaw. This is actually made for, I think, cutting like rebar ties, which are pretty thick stuff, pretty hard stuff. If you're going to cut, like, I mean, obviously wire hangers and stuff would be no problem. And it's got the spring action. So this is good for that all day kind of twisting. It fits nice in the palm of your hand. Here's some wire hanger material. So yeah, it's going to cut effortlessly through that. Probably cut it all day long too. All right, and then the Channellocks. These are kind of pain these are to take out of the package. You can see these XLT technology reduces hand fatigue, heat treated laser edge, precision knife and anvil cutting edge for superior performance. Okay, so again, nice and freshly greased. There you can see the made in USA 369. Again, a nice pattern in here, nice solid cross hatch, and you have a nice cutting edge right there too. So on these lineman pliers, got the beautiful Channellock blue. And, wow, those actually cut better than the Ironworker pliers. The feeling, a nice cutting edge on that. You're going to be able to do your twisting. I could have used this the other day. I was twisting some wire, actually. This would have come in handy. So, yeah, so that was at Lowe's at, I think, $17. And these were just about $10. So keep your eyes out. They're clearing these out. This was in a Lowe's in the town not close to me. I just happened to be there. Paul was at a scout meeting doing some kind of badge work or something, and there was a Lowe's in the area. So I went in and found these, and then I went to my local Lowe's, and the hooks were there with the tags, but there was none of the tools. So I was happy to pick these up. So there they are, the Ironworkers pliers from Irwin and the Linesman pliers from Channellock, USA made, going in the toolbox. Well, hey, that's going to be all for today. I hope you like checking out those pliers from Lowe's. We're going to do a little bit more work on those chisels. I want to get them ground and polished, get rid of that rust, but I want to do a little more research first. And again, if you guys have a good idea on how to make that work, let me know. If you like what we do here at Paul's Workshop, of course, like and subscribe. And don't forget to check us out next time.